Convert DataFrame column type from string to datetime. How can I convert a DataFrame column of strings in dd/and/ee format to datetimes?
The easiest way is to use _datetime. It also offers a day-first argument for European times, but beware, this isn't strict. Here it is in action. You can pass a specific format.
If your date column is a string of the format January 1st, 2017, you can use pandas aside to convert it to datetime. Or use datetime 64D if you want day precision and not nanoseconds. Yields. The same as when you use pandas.to_datetime. You can try it with other formats than %y, %m, %d, but at least this works.
You can use the following if you want to specify tricky formats. More details on format here. Python 2 this URL, Python 3 this URL.
If you have a mixture of formats in your date, don't forget to set infer_datetime_format equals true to make life easier. DFD equals pd.to_datetime DFD, infer_datetime_format equals true. Source, pd.to_datetime. Or if you want a customized approach,
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.